Sa mga tingin sa'yo ni Kimson.
Hello everyone, my name is Zadro Sales. I'm 28 years old from Mandaluyong City. Something about me is I'm a financial advisor, real estate sales agent, a fitness coach, and mabuting anak.
Number 20. Tell me more about your background.
Oh. So, supposedly, dapat kasali ako dito sa una.
Batch na 2023.
Yeah. Pero nag-back ako because of situation ng manager ko, nag-Olivar, and he died. So, tapos, well, before joining pageant way back 2014, yung last pageant ko was 2022 Mr. Washer, Philippines. So, mabuhay chiropractor.
Thank you.
What? As a financial advisor, how can you help our country to eradicate poverty?
Simple. You just, okay, actually my advocacy is natural, healthy lifestyle, but being a fitness coach, how can I help our country? I think it's about mindset. So I can use this platform to tell those people to be simple, not to huwag masyadong magastos sa lifestyle nila. Dapat naka-line up yung budget nila dun sa lifestyle nila so that hindi sila mag-loan or more on investments.
Follow-up question. Sabi mo, last year nag-join ka and yet hindi natuloy because of some issues with your manager. You're now, do you have a manager or a freelancer?
For now, I do have a manager, a different manager, and very close. What?
Okay, candidate number 28. Since you are into the financial business, right, world, yeah, insurance, investments, or something. But you cannot deny that in the Philippines there are a lot of, problems in terms of poverty. And most of the programs of the government is into poverty alleviation. If you will be given a chance to give your advice to the government, what would it be? And do you think what is the main reason why there's poverty that really exists?
I think this is like
The advice to the government.
Yeah, advice. So I think the question is really risky. So I'll be safe, but
It's okay. It's better to get some, point of view.
Again, my opinion, yeah.
Yes, in your opinion.
So in my opinion, my advice to the government is really be trustworthy. So we should pick a politician, not to be, we know all the main reason of poverty is corruption. So I think it's inside. So tingin ko lang dapat nasa tamang tao talaga tayo bumoto para hindi sayang yung natin, boto natin. Kung corrupt naman tayo.
Okay. That is on the side of politics. Okay. So that's one. But that is your opinion. But let me do it in a specific way. Do you think, are you familiar with the 4-piece program of the government?
Yes.
What is your opinion to the 4-piece program of the government? It's okay. Gusto ko kasi makuha yung idea niya. Yeah. Yes, millennial. So, what is your idea about this 4-piece program?
I think 4-piece gave a lot of help to other people. Pero I think it's not about giving money or peace kasi it's about allowances. So I think more on talks about how you handle your finances. That's how I think it is.
So you better say, you will agree with me with the saying is that don't give people the fish, but rather teach them how to catch the fish. Thank you very much. I like you, number 28.
Do you have any talent?
Dancing.
I can sing, I can dance. Can you dance? Yeah. Okay.
Maybe this time.
Music. DJ Music.
Diyan na.
DJ Music.